Okay, so today we're going to do a unboxing. I just ordered this Brother Serger. It's supposed to be strong and tough. It's a ST4031 HD. Mainly ordered it for heavy duty fabrics like denim, canvas, stuff like that. So today we're just going to unbox it. I got this off of Amazon and it came within 2 days. So of course I love Prime. But let's open it up and see what we got, okay? So I'm just going to dig in here and go for it. It's still kind of tough, kind of tight. That's good. Okay. Oh yeah. Strong and tough. That's the tape. The tape is strong and tough. All right. Okay. So here we go. Okay, looks pretty good. So inside, I guess this is the instruction manual and the DVD. So for those who still like DVDs, and I got plenty of DVDs, but I'm more of a YouTube guy. So anything I need to learn about, I just simply type it in YouTube. And of course, if for whatever reason I can't find it on YouTube, then that's an opportunity for somebody to make a video to help me out. Okay. So anyway, enough of that. So here we have foot pedal. This looks like a trap to catch the threads or whatever the blade cuts. Okay. Packaged pretty well. Not sure what this is, but let's check it out. Check that out in a few minutes. Okay, so this right here has a handle, so it's easy to come out the box. Let's do it like this. Pretty secure. Okay. So right there. Get this out the way. Clean up my area. Sorry, guys. Okay. Comes with a dust cover. Put that there. So let's get a front view of this. As you can see, it has 4 different color threads here. All right, you can see that. It has 4 different color threads. This is a good thing because it's color coded, and so if you look here, it's pretty decent. So if you look on top here, these dials or wheels are also color coded, right? And by having the thread, at least for the initial use, by having the threads different colors in accordance to the dials, sorry, it's going to be much easier to thread, but also you can understand as you learn in your machine, you can understand what needle and what looper does what. This right here is supposed to be a 3 or 4 thread serger, and it can stitch up to 1,300 stitches per minute. And again, it's supposed to be for lightweight, but also heavier type fabrics. So I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so keep with it. So have a few things here. So these right here are 4 thread nets. I don't really use the thread nets, but it's pretty good if you're gonna have your thread set up. You can cover your thread with that. And right here, pretty much are for cones. So you set your cones up. You kind of like lift this up, set your cones on, put that down in there to hold it pretty nice and good to go. So we got 4 of those. And again, You can use 3 or 4 threads. You got a tool here. So this little tool is for changing out needles. You got tweezers. So this is going to help me thread the loopers and the needles. You got a little brush. This actually comes with 4 needles, and it says here that the needles are 30 by 70 or 130 over 705 H. So I'm assuming the H is heavy, but I'm not sure. But it comes with four needles. And then I had the understanding that there would be four feet in here, but I only see 2, unless, okay, so I do have 3. So this foot right here, this is the standard foot. And I think this right here is the blind hem foot, and this is the gatherer foot, but I'm not really sure. So I have to give these a test as I get into my owner's manual. And then there's some other stuff here, not really sure what this is, but let's check it out. Oh, okay. So this right here is the table extension. For now, this is just the initial unboxing. What I like to do, I like to pretty much read up on the instructions here, learn the maintenance aspect of it, learn how to thread it, and once I do that, then I'm going to give it a test. So for now, again, just the unboxing. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll get into the maintenance of it, the threading of it, and a lightweight project. Until then, enjoy the rest of your day and be safe and do some projects. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Oh yeah, by the way, first video, so you can probably see I was a little fidgety, nervous, not looking directly in the camera. Give me some time. I'll work on it. I will work on it. In time, I'll get better. Promise you. Okay. Ciao. The table extension. So, not really sure how that will go, but we'll figure that out as we learn the machine. We'll kind of like figure out how this gets set up in here. So, anyway.